Hi, my name is David Logan, Logan IT, your IT geek. Yesterday, I attended a workshop in Carlisle, 30 minutes away from me. The workshop was a LinkedIn workshop, and it was very interesting. I did my first live video on LinkedIn via the phone. I also learnt what the SSI is, the Social Selling Index. But my question to you is, what is this benchmark? It gives you a number return on your profile, your LinkedIn profile. Is it to show you're good at social selling? Is it to show your profile is well filled out? What is your benchmark number, your social selling index? I'll tell you mine in the comments down below. So that's us for today. My name is David Logan, your IT geek. Computer problems I seek. Thank you.